Welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to link your Nintendo Switch to YouTube step by step so you understand what's possible and how to set things up correctly. Step 1. It's important to know that the Nintendo Switch does not support native YouTube live streaming or direct account linking for streaming like some other consoles do. However, you can still connect your Switch gameplay to YouTube using external tools. Step 2. Make sure you have a Nintendo Switch, a YouTube account with live streaming enabled, and a computer with a stable internet connection. You'll also need a capture card, such as Elgato or a similar device. Step 3. Connect your Nintendo Switch dock to the capture card using an HDMI cable. Then connect the capture card to your computer via USB and connect another HDMI cable from the capture card to your TV or monitor. Step 4. Install the capture card's software on your computer. Once installed, open the software and confirm that your Nintendo Switch screen is being displayed correctly. Step 5. Open streaming software such as OBS Studio on your computer. In OBS, add the capture card as a video source so your Nintendo Switch gameplay appears in the preview window. Step 6. Sign in to YouTube Studio on your computer. Go to the Live section, create a new live stream, and copy the stream key provided by YouTube. Step 7. Return to OBS Studio and paste the YouTube stream key into the streaming settings. Double-check your video and audio settings to ensure everything is working properly. Step 8. Once everything is ready, click Start Streaming in OBS. Your Nintendo Switch gameplay will now be streamed live to your YouTube channel. That's all you need to know to connect your Nintendo Switch gameplay to YouTube and start streaming. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial.